It's
It's
and it's
fundamentally changing everything. And again, going
yeah,
back to the Shopify example, that CEO and the other things that we're reading and kind of hearing, I think that Anthropic CEO made a statement just in the last maybe last week about,
yeah,
the job market's going to totally be brand new within the next 5 years. We're already seeing it. People aren't hiring writers, right? Because they're like, well, why would we hire an agency and pay some writer to create the stuff when we can pay somebody to write us this amazing prompt or series of prompts that's going to get us 95% of the way there at literally like a quarter of the cost. And you think we were talking earlier about this recent study that just came out, all this research, and you look at the data, where adoption is happening, where money is going around AI, and all of that other all of those other trends that are happening. That are now, it's been a few years. We actually have data points to look at it, and you realize like this isn't going away. Like this is, if we don't get ahead of this, we don't figure out how to use this in some way. All of these other businesses are going to be like traditional businesses are going to go away. Because if you can't adopt and implement these systems to move yourself faster, whatever that may be, somebody's going to do it. Somebody's already doing it.
yeah.
That's the crazy thing, is that we're in this weird stage. The analogy I give is like the beginning of the internet. How many times did you hear, why would I need a website? I've got my store on the corner. Like, why do I need a website? And like now, like you wouldn't even, that's, it's crazy to even think that. But like that was literally what businesses were saying 15, 20 years ago. Why do I need a website? I got my store.
Yeah.
Then, with the adoption of social media, it was like, why do I need to be on social? Right? Like it's all the same thing. Now we're getting to the point of like, what are we gonna do with AI? And there's people like, I don't need to be on it. No, you need to be on it, because if anything historically is proven to be true, it's that if you don't adopt whatever these mainstream technologies are that are coming into market, you're going to get left behind and you're going to be struggling.